Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use the features of Camtasia Rev. So once you have Camtasia open, you can click on record. These options for recording will pop up. So you can record your screen, you can also record your webcam and audio. Once you start the recording, so now Camtasia is recording the video, so it's recording the screen and myself. It's not going to show the speaker while you're recording, but this button in the top will indicate that you are being recorded. So once you are satisfied with your recording, you can click stop recording. And once you do that, Camtasia Rev workflow will be activated. You can select in Camtasia Rev from a selection of sizes, layouts, backgrounds, effects, and filters, and AI will automatically apply them for you. And so I'm going to choose recorded size for my size. You can also choose like 1:1 square for Instagram, for example. I'm going to choose from a selection of layouts where I want the speaker to be oriented. So I'm going to choose this one where there is no background to the speaker. And for background, I'm going to choose this pink gradient one. And the effects, I'm going to choose the cursor scale. So this is a cursor effect. From filters, I'm going to choose, red pop. So you can export at this point, and you can export as a local file to YouTube or even to Google Drive. But right now I'm going to click edit in Camtasia because I want to show you one other feature. Well, Camtasia 2024 actually also has dynamic captions. And to access those, you can click more, click on captions, and just simply drag and drop from a selection of presets. So once you do that, it'll automatically transcribe the audio for you. As you can see, so now play the video, it shows the text. And it's called dynamic captions because it will highlight every word that is being spoken. So those are some cool features of Camtasia Rev 2024. AI can really make your video editing faster, especially for instructional videos and even for student projects.